Welcome to Automod Racing. We just completed a repainting of a 1993 Nissan 300Z and a non-turbo convertible. This is a metallic red. We also replaced the rear upper third brake light lens. We replaced the convertible top on this. Brand new convertible top. After we repaint the car, we usually color sand this to give it that shiny look and knock out all the texture on the surface of the paint. Okay, so that's the completion of our repainting and convertible top replacement on a 1993 Nissan 300ZX non-turbo with convertible top. Thank you for watching.